It smells nice. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to try some Taiwanese snacks that I have never ever tried before. And it's a snack that I have received from a friend who sent me this huge box all the way from Taiwan with so many snacks that look like crazy. I mean, look at this. Wait, I just have to show you. There's something called grass jelly. Literally, can you imagine? I really wonder if there's really grass in there or, you know. But anyway, I thought it would be smart to start trying something that would expire soon. So I think I'm gonna go for this pink flashy box, and it says the pioneer of Taiwan Dajia Taro pastry. So I'm really excited to try this because Taro is something that's very famous, I think, in Taiwan. I think it is the root of a plant, a tropical plant that you find there. But so I think this is pastry made with taro, so I'm really excited to try it. And I think it might be a good idea to try the Alishan oolong tea at the same time. So yeah, I'm gonna put up some hot water to boil, and oh my god! They look so cute, and they're each like wrapped separately. Can you see? Oh, this looks amazing. And there's two different kinds. Okay, let me get the water for the tea and let's get right into the cake. Okay, so I just got my boiling water here. Ooh. This smells like a little bit grainy, like there might be cereal. Maybe I'm wrong. It's always so difficult when I can't understand whatever's written like on the packages. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wait for the tea to set in a few more minutes. Okay, and let's open the first taro pastry. It smells nice. It smells just like like a pastry actually. Oh my god. This is really good. I have no clue what's inside. It is delicious. I should let some of my family try this. We're 6 in my family though, and there are only 6 of them, and I don't know if I can live with only eating one of them. Oh, let's see if the tea is ready. Smells good. Look at me having such a fancy Taiwanese tea time. The tea is super nice. This really brings me back to Taiwan and Asia in general. You don't really find these grainy types of tea here in Europe. Our teas have a very different taste, I think. This is amazing. I was actually thinking that maybe I should try one snack at a time, and I should start rating them, you know, giving them a score, maybe from 1 to 10. 1 is the worst and 10 is the best. But I think there's a problem with me and rating things, because every time I try something that is really good like this, I feel like I want to give it a 10 straight away. So that's gonna be problematic if everything tastes as good as this. So yeah, let me try and think how much I'm gonna score this today, the Taro pastry. Actually, the middle part tasted a little bit like egg yolk. I don't know if that's just my imagination or because it was yellow, or if that is really egg yolk. But it was delicious. Should I try the other one also? You know, there's one that has black dots on it, black seeds, that I just tried, and then there's another one without it. I wonder if they're different. Oh wait, maybe they're all different. No. No. Maybe there's 2 different kinds. Okay, let me try the second one. So this looks exactly the same like the one I just tried, but without the black seeds on top. This is amazing. So I can just see the very chewy pastry texture around it, and inside I can see I think the taro paste. It's so delicious. Oh, I can see that my camera battery is going to die soon, so I should quickly try to rate this. Okay, I can't help it. I'm gonna rate this 10 out of 10. The taro pastry, for me, it's a big 10. I love it. I love the texture. I love the smell. I love everything about it. And I think it really deserves a 10. So let me know which pastry or which Taiwanese snack you want me to try next. I will show you everything laid out on the table. And today's password, if you watched this video until the end, is, let's say, taro. I don't think I will be able to share this with my family because the expiry date is coming up soon, so that's a good excuse for me to quickly eat them all. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye!